Video K1, we're going to be reading some pictographs. So some of the things to look at right away would be the key. So a picture of an Easter egg is worth 2 eggs. So I come up here to Alex, here's 2, and another 2, and another 2, and then half of an egg, half of 2 is just 1. So I would just count them up, 2, 4, 6, 7. So Alex found 7 Easter eggs. Let's try out Trinity. This would be a 2 and this would be a 1, so Trinity only found 3. Try out a different one. So this time our key is the ticket that says the word fun on it. Really means 4 people pick that for their favorite movie. So what I like to do, if they're not 2s, because 2s, when we were back here on the Easter egg, that was pretty easy to see that like half of the Easter egg is 1 person there and 1 person there. By the way, no one would ever want to find half of an Easter egg because you're not going to pick it up. So if I go right down the middle of this word, it looks like it's going right down the middle of the word fun. So wherever I see that U in the middle like this, I know this one's 2, and he's 4, and he's 4, 4, 8, 10. Then if it's less than the U, like this one up here at the top, I know that one's only 1. And this would be 4 and 4 and 4 and 4 and 4. So let's add that one up real fast. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21. And then if it's over here in the middle of the N, I know that's going to be 3/4 of it. So it's going to be 3 people. So Babe is just 3. There's the 3. He's 4, 4, and 4. So that's 4, 8, 12, 15. And then this one's just 2/4. That would give me 2 and 8. And then, of course, I'm going to be asking questions like, how many more people chose Shrek than Babe? And you're going to go, oh, many more minus. 21 minus 3 is going to get me to 18. Try this one out. What if the star is worth 6? So in my head, immediately I think if I cut it right down the middle, what's half of 6? 3. So wherever I see a half a star, there's 3 people, and there's 6. That would make me go to 9. Here's another 3 with 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36, plus 3 more, 39. Oh, the giant smiley face is worth 1,000. So again, if I cut right down the middle, half of 1,000 is 500 over here. And by the way, if you've noticed on the pictures, it's always on the left side, like they just cut them off. So this guy right here would be worth 500. This guy would be worth 500. But this one would be 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000. So that's 4,000 plus 500. 4,500. Check out the heart. Now, if I go right down the middle, that would be 5. What I want you to notice is that there are some of these that are not right down the middle. Okay, so for example, this one is not right down the middle because there's the bottom of my heart, so it should end about there. So it's a little less than 5, probably around 3. I could live with 3 or 4. And then this one is 10 and this one is 10, so that would be 23. The second one, right there, that would be 5. This looks like it could be 2 or 3 more. I'm going to say 3, and then this is 10, so I got 10 plus 5 plus 3, that's 18. Down here, this one looks pretty close to being a 5. That one being a 10, so there's 15. Again, this one looks like a 5, could be a 4. You know, like if you're within 1, I'm probably not going to be picky when I'm grading. Some footballs we got worth 6 people. So a half of a football would equal 3. So right here I can see there are only 3 Giant fans. There are 3 Packer fans there, and these are all worth 6. 6, 12, 18, 21. Oh, here's another 3. 6, 6, and 3. That gets me to 15. And then Patriots, 6 times 2 is 12. And 6 times 4 is going to get me to a 24. Try out one with cars. I like to use cars because it's pretty easy to show where the cuts are. You know, if I cut right down the middle of the car there, I know that's going to be 2. If I cut down the middle of the car there and I leave you that side of the wheel, it's 1. And if I cut through the back wheel, that's going to be a 3. So right away I can see this is in the front wheel. There's only 1/4 of the car there. That's 1. This part's 4. Add them together, I get 5. This one has all parts of the cars. 4 times 4 is 16. This one's right down the middle. That's going to be a 2. We got a 4 and a 4, and he's a 1. That gives me to 9. We got a 4, and look, he's through the back wheel, so that's over half. So that would give me to 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. And let's try one more. So the picture of the house is 10. So right down the middle is 5. So if I come through the middle of the door, there's 5. Well, Fred looks like he's got a 10 and a 10. That would be 20. Daphne's got a 10 and a 10. See, right there would be 5. We're going through the chimney. Yeah, probably about 8 in all, like 5 on this side and 3 there. That'd be 10, 20, 28. Scoob looks like he's pretty much right through the middle for a 5. Velma is less than 5. It would be over here somewhere. Probably about a 3. And Shag down here, we got a 10, 20, 30. And there's the middle is 5. Probably about 7 in all. So 10, 20, 30, 37.